Hey guys, it is Tuesday morning here in the Philippines, and I am going to unbox the new Mini GT LB Works Ford Mustang in Grabber Lime. Pretty sweet looking car. Already had it out of the box and inspected it for any kind of defects or factory flaws. Seems to be perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing with you guys. As you know, these usually come wrapped in like a cellophane plastic to kind of keep it sealed. So on the front of our box, we have Mini GT with an actual picture of the diecast and not a one-to-one car, although these pics do almost look like the one-to-one car sometimes. As you can see, LB Works, Ford Mustang, and Grabber Lime. Top side has your collector number, 426. That would have been cool for a Dodge if they would have had the wide-body Challenger for 426 Hemi. But anyways, that's what it is. So it also tells you where to find Mini GT online, where to find them on social media such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. This end cap has Mini GT in green, scale 1/64. The bottom side has your age recommendations of 14 and older and the choking hazards because of small parts. This end cap is just gray and blank. The back side of the box has your TSM licensing, your TSM holographic sticker, your QR code for Ford, your Ford licensing, and such. And then on the back, it just says the same thing as on the front, that you have LB Works Ford Mustang and Grabber Lime left-hand drive with the serial number. So let's get him out and take a look at him. There we are. And this is a heavy little casting. And pretty cool. As you can see, kind of subtle, the decals just has the LB on the fender. Then the catchphrase is on mostly all of the LB cars on the door. Imagine all the people living in peace. And then you see the wide body flares on the front fender and on the rear fender, like a split 5-spoke style wheel. I would have liked to have seen these as more of a reversed offset, kind of a deep dish instead of this standard offset. With that kind of appeal, I don't understand like the purpose of a wide body. I always thought the wide body was to give you more of a reversed type of wheel, but this didn't. They left a standard offset, which I would have went with reverse. But anyways, still looks good. And while we're under here, the detail in the chassis is very nice. Detailed mufflers in silver. The rest of it is just done in like a matte black. Diecast base, as always with Mini GT, metal on metal. And it is held together by button head Phillips screws. The mirrors on the door are rubber, but they are stiff, so be careful. It seems that they may break easily compared to other mirrors on other diecast. Turning it around has a very nicely detailed tail panel with the Mustang emblem and the matte black center between the tail lights, and it does have red acrylic tail lights. LBWK vanity plate. There's some other stickers from Liberty Work and Liberty Walk. Detailed marker lights on the rear quarter. And then this is, once again, left-hand drive. Has the black racing stripes down the hood and deck lid. And if you've noticed on the top side of the spoiler, even it is split on the spoiler too with the Grabber Lime. That's pretty cool. Then going around to the nose, you have acrylic headlight lenses, as narrow as they are, but they are acrylic. And then you have the pony in the grill, which is a nice touch. That's very nicely done. It actually looks like maybe a separate piece. Then you have the vents in the front bumper cover. Then the marker lights, it looks like, in the bumper cover. Very sweet car. And it rolls fantastic as usual with M2 or Mini GT. Sorry, did not mean to insult Mini GT by calling them M2. Because M2, as we know, does not roll good. I know M2 makes some nice castings, so I'm not trying to insult them like that, but their rolling quality is crap. Mini GT, on the other hand, is perfect most of the time. I have gotten a few that are flawed, but not many, and usually theirs can be fixed. Sometimes M2 can also, if you dismantle the car and such, you can sometimes fix the axles. But Mini GT is usually perfect, so I will give them that with their rollability. And this car's paint quality is very nice. As you can see, there's really no orange pill, no flaws at all. This is a very, very nicely done model. And for the price of $10, you can't beat it. So that is my review and unboxing of the new wide-body LBWK Mustang from Mini GT. Tune back in tomorrow because we will be bringing you the Mini GT LBWK S15 Super Silhouette. So we'll unbox that for you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Until tomorrow.